I wouldn't doubt it. I would not doubt it at this point. Oh man, speaking of going out of business, let me pull up DoorDash stock real quick because that shit is going down fast. Where is it at? Let me pull it up, see what's going on. It's at 104. Did it tick below? I think I might try starting a lemonade stand. Not a bad idea. DoorDash in the chat. It's all good. They can be in the chat. Just made $5. Just made $15. Not even worth the gas. Friday, 17:30 your time, and orders not flying in. Right? That's how you know it's over. It's over. So the market closed. So it had a high of 106, but it's still in that little channel. Okay. In my opinion, the problem is that somewhere was decided tips are income, so it should be taxed, and the employers happily heard tips are income and made it so that we don't need to give a decent base pay. It's crazy. How we being taxed on tips? We make most money on tips. Try pizza places. It's a Little Caesars right here. I'm literally right next door to it. Matter of fact, I think this dash actually just ended. Matter of fact. Yeah. This dash actually is about to end. Look at this, bro. $9 to go all the way over there? God damn, man. This is crazy. $9. That is not great. Well, looks like my dash about to end. I ain't even realized. Look, 5:30. Boom. Your ass get one order. It's all good. I just accepted this Grubhub order, so we're gonna go knock that out. And it's taking me back where I need to go anyways. So that's perfect. I knew they funky ass was gonna give me one order. I knew it. But you know what? It still worked out though if you think about it, because I came down here on a Grubhub offer. I got the little one DoorDash order, and now I got a Grubhub offer to take me back where I came from. So all in all, it's a win. How long? We've been 34 minutes on this one. We did 45 minutes on the first live stream. So we about an hour and 20 minutes into this. Hour and 20 minutes in, we'll be, well, we got 13 already. Add the 9, that'll be 22 plus this 4. We'll be at like $26 minus the $2 I gave them last time. So we'll be at $22. It is what it is. It's not great, but it'll fill up this damn gas tank, and that's the best I can hope for right now. They only gave me 30 minutes. Oh shit, it's busy over there now. That's crazy. Hell yeah. Hold up. Let me see if I can just schedule. 6 to 6:30, I will take it. 11 to 11:30. Okay, I already got a dash right there. Dash along the way. Pause orders. Boom, I'm right back in there. Let's go. I guess since I did the one order down there, it's now allowing me to dash up in my regular zone. So actually, we finna keep these wheels rolling now. I'm finna grab this Grubhub order, run it up to Troy, and then I'm a unpause my dash because they just let me in. I scheduled from 6 to 6:30, and I hit dash along the way. So technically, I'm already in there, and I'm paused right now. So we finna go pick up this little Popeyes order, make us a couple more bucks, and then we gonna unpause DoorDash once we get closer to the Grubhub drop-off. Damn, oh man, I don't even like this Popeyes too. Oh my goodness, what they got going on? Bro, what these people doing? Oh, hell no. Look at this shit, y'all. Look at this. You ain't never seen nothing like this in your life. Look at this shit. You ain't never in your life seen nothing like this, bro. Look at this car. Look at this car, y'all. Look. Look. Hey, you alright? You alright? Look at that shit. Y'all see that? Hey, man, you alright? Hey, y'all see that shit? That motherfucker's whole windshield. Did y'all see that?